profits of plus $16,417. That's the trading result from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data in week number 49. Welcome to Insider Week. In this video, I'm going to show to you our trades of this week and the corresponding results. First of all, we started into the week with a portfolio that consisted of 2 open positions, namely 17 long contracts in live cattle and 6 long contracts in soybeans. At the end of this week, our portfolio consists of only 1 open position, namely 14 short contracts in platinum. Let's have a look at the trades individually. First market, live cattle. As you can see, we received a buy signal, and that was in harmony with increasing seasonal trend. At the first time we traded it, we closed the position at break even. Afterwards, we waited a bit for the price to continue to the upside, and then we could take some good profit in this market. We used this pullback here to enter the market at the third time. Because the price didn't develop as expected, we closed this position at break even, and by that we made a small profit of $340. As you can see, we took the right decision because after we closed the position, the price went down. Next market, soybeans. Here you can see that we also received a buy signal, and the seasonal trend was also pointing to the upside. On the daily chart, you can see that we entered this market and we used a large stop loss range. We decided to do that because we traded against the daily trend. We saw that the market seems to need more time to develop a clear direction. That's why we decided to close this position at break even, and we made a small gain of $875. Next market, platinum. This market was on our watch list for short trade. It is a quite speculative trade, to be honest, because at the end of the year we see that seasonal trend is increasing for platinum. However, we took the decision to take a short trade in this market. We are currently in this market and we wait for our target price to be reached. Next, let's have a look at our second COT strategy, the so-called champion strategy. In this strategy, we focus on short-term trades that are covering strong impulse waves. We started into the week with a portfolio that consisted of 2 open positions, namely 3 long contracts in coffee and 10 long contracts in wheat. At the end of this week, we have an empty portfolio. In total, we made a weekly gain of $15,202. Let's have a look at the trades. As you can see, in coffee we were long, and we used a trading stop to adjust our stop loss and to reduce our risk and protect our profits. Last week, we were stopped out, and by that, we realized a gain. And as you can see, afterwards, price went to the downside, and thus our decision to adjust our stop loss was a correct one. In wheat, we weren't lucky enough. As you can see, the first trade we made money with. The second trade was a loss trade, and also the third trade was not profitable for us. At the moment, we can see that the daily trend is pointing to the downside, and as a result, this market is not interesting to us anymore. The 2 trades in lumber were shots in the bull's eye. As you can see, with our long trades, we were able to cover the full range of this up move. Obviously, we are very satisfied with the profits we made in this market and that our plan and strategy worked out. If you, as a futures trader or a beginner, want to take the next step and want an approach that is replicable, you can find the link to our website below our YouTube videos, and you can fill in your information, submit it, such that we can contact you in order to answer all your remaining questions. Let me now show to you how our coaching program works. For those who have joined our coaching program, the program lasts for 12 months and its plan is as follows. It consists of theory, simulated trading, and real money trading. After working through the theory, you will be ready to practice. Our coaching's focus is practice, as you can see on this roadmap. Theory is good, but success only comes through application. At the end, let's have a look at CRB index, the commodity price index. As you can see, the correction that the index took seems to have finished. You can also see that from this point in time onwards, the seasonal trend is increasing again. After the last corrective weeks, we are now expecting increasing commodity prices again. That's it from our side this week. Are you planning to improve your trading strategy in the next year? Write your New Year's plans in the comments and let us discuss. And if you're already there, Give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss out on our next futures trading videos. Thank you for your attention and see you at next Sunday.